Welcome back. Today we unlock the hidden powers of Python classes, abstraction and magic methods. By the end of this session, your code will be cleaner and more intuitive. Abstraction is about hiding complex details and showing only necessary features. It's like driving a car you use the steering wheel, not the engine mechanics. To achieve abstraction in Python, we use the ABC module. It forces subclasses to implement specific methods, acting as a blueprint or contract. We define an ABC by inheriting from ABCs and using the abstract method decorator. This ensures any class inheriting from it must define these methods. Let's create a shape E class. We want every shape to have an area method. If we don't define area, the code shouldn't even run. That's the power of abstraction. It prevents bugs, forces consistent structure in large teams, and makes your code significantly easier to maintain and scale. Now, let's pivot to Dunder's methods. Dunder stands for double underscore. These are special methods that define how objects behave with Python's built-in operators. You already know underscore underscore init underscore underscore. It's the constructor. It's a magic method because Python calls it automatically when you create a new instance. Ever notice that printing an object gives you something like defining underscore underscore str underscore underscore lets you define a custom, readable string representation. We'll build a book to class. Instead of a memory address, let's make it print book, title by author. Much better for debugging. Want to add two custom objects using plus? Implement underscore underscore add underscore underscore. It defines what happens when you use the plus operator on your classes. Imagine a vector class. If we implement underscore underscore add underscore underscore, we can simply write v1 plus v2 to combine them, just like regular integers. Magic methods go far. Underscore underscore len underscore underscore for length, underscore underscore get item underscore underscore for indexing, and the underscore underscore eq underscore underscore for comparing if two objects are identical. Abstraction keeps your design clean and enforced. Magic methods make your custom objects act like native Python types. Both are essential for professional development. Practice defining an ABC today, and try adding at underscore underscore str underscore underscore method to your project. Thanks for watching Edulexis. Like, subscribe, and happy coding.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.